Okay traders, welcome back to the Price Action Labs YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to be going over how to swing trade gold or any market using three important principles. Power of three, how to choose your POIs, and how to combine everything with order flow so you stay on the right side of the market. Now with that being said, let's dive into it. So the first thing to understand is that there's four things you need as a market trader, especially as a swing trader, right? The first of those is going to be your market structure, right? Market structure simply refers to highs and lows, right? So if we just kind of replay price back a little bit, what you need to understand is where the market actually breaks structure, right? This is the most important thing. So now that we've had a break of structure just over here, notice how this is not a break of structure, this is not a break of structure, this is the break of structure because it occurs with a body closure. Body closures are very important for higher time frame breaks of market structure. Now with that being said, that is step number one. Step number two is you need to identify your dealing range. So what do we mean by a dealing range, right? Dealing range or DRT, right? I just call it a dealing range. Dealing range refers to the most recent swing high and the most recent swing low in the structural range. So this is the recent structural high and this is the recent structural low. Now with that being said, how can we use this to our advantage, right? How can we use this for swing trading opportunities, right? So swing trading is about mastering the market structure and knowing where to sell from in this case and where to buy from afterwards. So it's all about understanding premium and discount, and that is the third step. Premium and discount is very important. Again, very misunderstood. So my job is to simplify it for you, right? So as a New York trader, as a London trader, right? It doesn't matter what session you trade or which part of the world you are, whether you're Singapore, Australia, Canada, New York, even Antarctica, right? You need to understand that you're trading premium and discount and higher time frame fair value gap. So the kill zones or the time zones matter a lot less. So this is our overall dealing range, and our premium and discount is simply projected from the swing high down to the swing low, right? This is gold on the 4-hour time frame. And so from here, what we